Always remember, if you're going through hell, keep going.
I refuse to run.
We'll be slaughtered.
I can't run, Kakarot. If I did, then life too would be a hell. If I run, life will be a hell. If I die, it will be a hell. So I only have one choice. I gave my word from one seer to another, and I have to keep it. I'll shatter through my limits, in my own way, on my own terms. And then, Jiren, I will defeat you! Strength is the only thing that matters in this world. Everything else is just a delusion for the weak. Impossible to defeat you! Don't